What's up? Welcome to the backyard. It's Jeff here, and over the last few years we've gotten two different ninja courses. Today I want to see if there's a way that we can combine the two into something that's twice as cool. So stay tuned to find out. So we are up here on the hill near the tree fort, and as you can see we got our ninja climbers on this tree like I had said I was going to. And we have two ninja lines, one that's shorter and one that's longer. In the past, the shorter one we've had go from this tree to this tree here so that you could go back and forth because that one just wasn't very long. Today I want to see if we could take the long one, go all the way from this tree here all the way down to this tree, which has our slackline zip line attached to it going down the hill here. That way you can go all the way across. Now the problem with that long distance is going to be that there's going to be quite a bit of sag in the center. My thought is we take the shorter one, we go from this tree up to this tree, put it underneath the longer one so that it has something to kind of help hold it up. But also then when you get to that crisscross point, you can turn and you can go up the hill this way, you can go this way. You'll have a bunch of different ways you can go. So let's stop talking about it. Let's get to setting it up and see if this is actually going to work out. Got the first ninja line up, realized I forgot to put the rings on that need to be on before you attach it together. So then when I was opening it up, I put it too tight. For a reminder, do not put it too tight because then when you try to open it back up, it'll hit your fingers and stuff like this will happen.
Oh, look at it.
We got the first aid kit. I got my Band-Aid. The first ninja line is up. I've left a gap in the middle here, number one, because that's where the rings will go, but also this is where our crisscross one is going to go. That way, one of the rings on this one might be in that spot, so it can help you across. And they still do not like the monkey knots.
Nope.
But he's trying to figure it out.
Yeah, babe. Okay. I already go down these branches, like, got it. 3 times. Got it.
For the sake of brevity, let's set the other line up now. Ta-da! So we've got both ninja courses set up now. Climb up the ladder, follow the orange line, cross that way, and then this way, that way, or you can go across and then change directions. We got a full X up thing, but the big question is, does it work? Does it make it better? And you can see I took an extra hook and I put it on those just to kind of hold those two together. Let's see if Ethan's got this. Now bear in mind that this is the beginning of the season. We just set this up, so our upper body strength is probably atrophied a bit over the winter. There we go on the cargo net. The monkey knot. He seems to just have decided it's more comfortable to grab that plastic part at the top. Oh, and he's onto that monkey bar. And Calvin's trying to come the other way. It's gonna be a fight in the middle. All right, well, and even there on that little bump we got in the middle, his feet didn't drag, which is what I was worried about going that distance. Hey Cal, go bring the zip line up. Oh, he did the shimmy part. He's trying to get his momentum swinging so he can kind of bypass this knot. Oh, he's swinging sideways. Oh, hey, but that's the thing, is it's supposed to be difficult. It's supposed to be a challenge. So, first day, really you shouldn't be able to do it, so that way you have something to build up to.
Dad, watch out.
Okay, I'll watch out. What are you gonna do? Whoa, look at that. If you make it to the end of the ninja course, then you jump onto the zip line, right Cal?
Yeah, like this.
Here we go. Oh no. That's the funniest looking thing. That is the funniest part, the running uphill. I'm still going. My feet aren't touching the ground. So as you can see, it definitely looks cool. It gives you more options of which way to go, but the big question is it worth it if you already have one ninja line to buy a second one? I don't know, if you have a decent one already, it's probably enough. But if you're trying to build out a really cool backyard playground for your kids, it's an easy way to upgrade it and make something that looks, I think, pretty awesome. And hey, if you clicked on this video looking for more of a step-by-step setup guide, click on one of these videos right here. I show you step-by-step how to set these up in detail so that you can get the help you need. See you over there. Until next time, get out there and have a fun-sized adventure of your own.